Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send SD photos in WhatsApp. So let's get started. First of all, open WhatsApp on your Android device and tap on the chat where you want to send the photo. Now, instead of just tapping the gallery icon and sending the photo directly, you need to make a small change in the settings to send it in SD quality. Tap the attachment icon, choose gallery and select the photo you want to send. After selecting the photo, you will see a small SD icon at the top of the screen. Tap on that SD icon and a message will display items set to SD quality. Then hit the send button and your photo will be delivered in much better quality than usual. If you do not see the SD option, make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. You can update it easily from the Google Play Store. Also, remember that sending photos in SD may use a bit more data, so it is good to be connected to Wi-Fi if you are sending multiple high quality images. And that's it. Now you know how to send SD photos in WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.